So typically in my practice, when people seek psychological treatment, what they're really looking for is that they want to be happier. They often have symptoms of depression or high levels of anxiety, and these symptoms are getting in the way of their functioning in daily life. So they're getting in their way of their ability to work, to socialize and have fun, to spend time and enjoy time with their family and friends. But while people want to be happier, the puzzle is that attention is usually focused on what the problem is, not on ways to be happier. And that's pretty common. It's common for the discomfort, the pain that we have in life to draw most of our attention. It can be all-encompassing and be almost the exclusive focus of our life. And it's easy to lose track then of the things in life that actually do make us happier. So that's sort of the idea of the talk today. Most of us too set goals for our happiness. I'm sure you recognize this. I'll be happier when I lose weight. I'll be happier when I win the lottery, when I'm richer. We have this idea of deferring happiness to some point in the future rather than working at being as happy as we can at the present moment. We believe that happiness can be easily derailed by the messiness in life. And life always has something that's coming around the bend. There's a researcher by the name of Dr. Dan Gilbert. Have any of you seen his TED Talks? He has a well-published book, at least one. His research really is fascinating. He's a social psychologist from Harvard. And in the study that I'm going to tell you about today, he looked at two groups of people after they underwent a significant event in their life, about 1 year after they underwent this significant event. So one group of people won the lottery. Yay! I'd like to be in that group. The other group of people, though, unfortunately became paraplegic. So that's much less yay. Most of us, if I asked you which group of people would be happier, most, I think, would think that the people who won the lottery would be a lot happier than the people who had become paraplegic. But in fact, 1 year after this significant event in their life, there was no difference in the level of happiness between these two groups of people. And that's objectively measured research. So that is rather surprising. What that draws your attention to, though, is that happiness really is less about our circumstances in life, and it's more about our state of mind. So like everything that I'm going to be talking to you about today, it isn't anything sparkling new. I doubt very much that at any point in this talk you're going to be wowed by some insight that you've never heard before, that you've never thought of before. But what tends to happen is we all know how to be happy, but we tend to lose track of it as we get sucked in by all the troubles and the circumstances of our life that contribute to less happiness if we let them. But happiness depends on the choices that we make every day, and the choices that we make every minute of the day. So that's going to be the focus, is what are some of the choices that you can make in your daily life that will help you be a little bit happier at this moment, just as happy as you can at this moment in time.